Hi, I'm here today to review a great product. This is the Little Tikes Super Chef Kitchen. My daughter loves this. So it's one of her favorite toys. What I like about it is it makes sounds, which she loves. I think it's funny. She gets a big crack out of it. She feels like a big kid. But it's a great toy. It's for kids who are 3 years and older. But as you can see here, it comes with 13 accessories, which are great. So you've got 2 coffee cups, you've got forks, knives, spoons, 2 plates, a little coffee mug, and a little frying pan that places on here. But you can see how cool and space-saving design this is. So it's sort of condensed, and it's just like an adult kitchen area. But it's from a great company. Little Tikes makes great products. It's durable. You've got the opening and closing of the oven, and you've got this here and everything else that you need, and it's indestructible. So it's a great product. Again, my daughter loves it for the sounds that it makes. It's for kids 3 years and older. But you've got everything that you need here, and having the real kitchen sounds, real cooking sounds, and then to have the telephone that comes with it and the coffee pot is just adorable. So it's a great product from Little Tikes. Again, it's the Super Chef Kitchen. Highly recommended for your kids. Go out and get it. They'll have hours of fun with it. Enjoy.